Hey, what's up everybody? I got this awesome soldering accessory kit from Iuku. So this accessory kit, it does not come with a soldering iron, so you do need a soldering iron, but this is the accessory kit that's going to help you get all those solders done that's in tight places, hard to get to. This is, I'm going to tell you right now, this is a great kit. I've had a chance to check this out, move all the arms around, check out all these accessories, and man, this thing's awesome. I'm really excited to have this thing in my toolbox. I've got a couple of things that we're going to solder together today. Let's check this thing out. All right, so I got a couple of things set up here for examples. We'll do a little bit of soldering. Get a little bit of flux on there. I got a really good soldering iron here. It gets hot right away. If you're going to be doing some soldering, you do want to invest in a good soldering iron. And if you're going to be doing a bunch of soldering and you got a good soldering iron, you definitely want a good soldering accessory kit to go along with it. Beautiful, that's all you need to do. This soldering kit's going to do anything you need. It's going to hold those pieces exactly where you need it. All right guys, I've had a chance to try this guy out and play with all of the accessories. I give this set 2 thumbs up. If I had a third thumb, I would put it up as well. This set's awesome. It's going to work really well. If you do any soldering, I think just by looking at these arms, you can tell that this is an amazing kit. Very useful. This stuff's really soft, very flexible, very pliable. Works really well. All of this stuff very manipulatable. These magnets are extremely strong. They're going to stick to just anything that has even a little bit of metal in it. These guys are in wonderful condition as well. Really good for holding circuit boards. This will hold all your different gauge wires. So very, very helpful. Great kit. I do give it 2 thumbs up. If you guys want to pick one up, just click right on the link below. We got it ready for you. I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks for checking out the video. Aloha.